Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 8. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lecture number 43 of half yearly 2021 and our today's topic name is Assignment-2 discussion. Assignment-2 discussion. My dear student, this is our assignment 2. This is our assignment 2 on subject mathematics. Okay, at first we notice the first column, unit and title of the lesson. That means name of your assignment. Okay, so chapter 4, algebraic formula and application. Okay, algebraic formula and applications. That means the topic name is algebraic formula and application. Then we have already learned this chapter in our YouTube class, in our live class, and I hope you have already done all this chapter. Okay, so you can easily solve this math, and this week assignment is very easy for you because I know you are very smart learners, so you can easily solve this math. Okay, so assignment or assigned task. Here you notice A equal P plus Q plus R, A minus 1 by A equal to 1 and M equal to x square plus x into twice A plus 5 plus A square plus 5A plus 6 are three algebraic expression. A, if A is the measurement of each edge of a square, then find out the area of the square. B number question, show that A divided by A square plus 3A minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. C number question, show that A cube not equal to P plus Q cube plus R cube. D number, express M as the difference of the two square. My dear student, how can we solve? Application of algebraic formula. How can we solve A number question? Application of algebraic formula. So you notice first, if A is the measurement of each edge of a square, that means here A equal P plus Q plus R. So P plus Q plus R be the edge of be the length of each edge of square. So we need to find out that area. Please notice here 1A. 1A, the A equal to P plus Q plus R is the edge of a square. Suppose this is a square, and from the definition of a square we know that all the sides are equal. That means if this is A, then it is A, then it is A, and it must be A. Okay, so how can we find out the area of a square? Side multiply side, that means A multiply A, and we get A square. So how can we get area of the square? It will be A square. That means P plus Q plus R whole square. So now P plus Q plus R whole square. Now in this case you apply here A plus B whole square formula. After that you get the answer. I hope you have understood how to solve A number question. Okay, next we shall notice question number B. How can we solve question number B? My dear student, please notice B number question. Show that A by A square plus 3A minus 1 equal to 1 by 4. My dear student, we need the second algebraic expression. That means A minus 1 by A equal to 1. By using this, we shall solve B number. Okay, so please notice here B number is A minus 1 by A equal to 1. And now from this we take A as LCM, then A square minus 1 equal to 1. Now we apply cross multiplication method. Okay, we know that every number has a denominator which is 1. So 1. Then we apply here cross multiplication, A square minus 1 equal to A. So my dear student, I keep this A square minus 1 equal to A. Then the left hand side is LHS equal A divided by A square plus 3A minus 1. But my dear student, I find the value of a square minus 1 from the given expression. So I write this just like this on a square, this minus 1 and this plus 3 is written here and here a. Now what is the value of a square minus 1? It is a. So we write here a plus 3a, that means 4a. So we cut a and we get 1 by 4, and that is the RHS. So left hand side equal to right hand side short. I hope you have understood how to solve left hand side solve B number question. Okay, my dear student, I just discuss the question, but you have to solve the problem in details. I repeat, you have to solve the problem in details. Okay, C number question. Show that a cube not equal to p plus q plus r cube. So my dear student, here notice C. In order to solving C, we need the first expression, that means a equal p plus q plus r. So first of all we find out the cube of a, that means p plus q plus r cube, and we can easily solve this method by using the formula of cube. So a plus b whole cube. What is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab square plus 3a square b. Sorry, at first we write a square b, then we write ab square. Okay, so this is the formula. We can write this in another way: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. I hope you have understood. No need to write this. Okay, we use this formula here. Okay, so now please notice, at first we make it two terms, that means p plus q is one term and r is another term. Now we use here a plus b whole cube formula. So please notice, a p plus q cube plus 3a square b, that means 3 into a square means p plus q square into b means r, plus 3 into p plus q into r square plus r cube. Now you solve this. Here p plus q formula again applicable, so we use here a plus b whole cube formula, and here we use a plus b whole square formula. So after solving and you do calculation, you get an answer, and that answer is not matched with p cube, p plus q cube, p plus q whole cube plus r cube. So now p plus q whole cube plus r cube. We solve this. After solving, we get a result, and that result is not matched with this one. So we can say a cube not equal to p plus q whole cube plus r cube. My dear student, I repeat, here I only discuss the solution procedure of this question, but you have to solve in details. Okay, so C number question done. Next we shall discuss question number D. Express m as the difference of 2 square. Express m as the difference of 2 square. So here you notice m means what? M equal to x square plus x into twice a plus 5 plus a square plus 5a plus 6. My dear student, at first we convert this expression into factors. I repeat, at first we convert this expression into factors. After that we get two factors, which we consider a and b. After that expression, in that expression we apply AB's formula. What is the formula of AB? A plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square, and we get a result, and that result will be the answer of this question. So my dear student, how can we resolve this into factors? Please notice, x square plus x into twice a plus 5, and this plus sign is here. After that, a square plus 3a plus twice a plus 6. So x square plus x into twice a plus 5, and here we take a is common and left a plus 3. Here 2 common, left a plus 3. Okay, now x square plus x into twice a plus 5 plus a plus 3 a plus 2. I hope you have understood. Now we consider a plus 2 equal to m and a plus 3 equal to m and a plus 2 equal to n. Here you write let. Then you do all the signer addition. Okay, all the signer addition. So we do addition here, that means 2a 3 plus 2, that means 5 equal to m plus n. And now my dear student, please notice x square plus x into twice a plus m means m plus n, and 3a plus, that means the expression will be x square plus m plus nx plus mn. My dear student, after finding this expression, at first we multiply m plus n with x, then we take m common, and from this two expression we take n common, then we get a common term. After that we put the value of m and n, then we get two factors. Okay, one factor is considered as a and another factor is considered as b. After that we use their this formula, AB's formula. AB formula means a plus b by 2 whole square minus a minus b by 2 whole square. So my dear student, by using this formula we convert these two factors into this way. Okay, and that will be the answer of this question. Okay, my dear student, and this is the solution procedure of our this week's assignment. Okay, so my dear student, now maximum student of you write the subject name math. What is this? So my dear student, don't write math or maths, you write the full name of this subject, mathematics. Okay, and you also write the topic name, algebraic formula and applications, algebraic formula and application, chapter 4 algebraic formula and application. I hope you have understood. So my dear student, please do your assignment regularly in submit due time. Okay, my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.